Did you know that a tiny, pungent bulb in your kitchen might be nature's most powerful antibiotic? Today, we are unlocking the incredible science behind garlic and how it acts as a total shield for your health.
Are you constantly battling fatigue, or just feeling off? You might be experiencing chronic inflammation, a hidden culprit behind many common health issues. It's like a fire burning quietly within your body, damaging cells and disrupting vital functions. You may not even realize it's happening, but persistent inflammation can lead to more serious problems down the road. That's why it's crucial to address it early on. Today, we'll explore how a simple, natural food can help you fight back. Get ready to discover the power of garlic. Let's dive into what's really happening inside your body. When inflammation strikes, your immune system goes into overdrive, releasing a flood of inflammatory substances. These substances, like cytokines and free radicals, wreak havoc on your cells, causing damage and disrupting normal processes. Over time, this can lead to a cascade of health problems. Understanding this process is the first step in taking control of your health. Now, let's talk about metabolism. Inflammation can throw a wrench into your metabolic processes, affecting how your body processes energy and nutrients. This can lead to fatigue, weight gain, and other metabolic imbalances. When your metabolism is out of sync, your body struggles to function efficiently, leaving you feeling sluggish and unwell. But there's good news: you can restore balance with the right foods. Enter garlic, an ancient superfood with remarkable healing properties. For centuries, cultures around the world have recognized garlic's power to combat illness and promote well-being. But what makes garlic so special? It all comes down to its unique bioactive compounds. This pungent bulb is packed with nutrients that can transform your health. Let's explore what makes garlic such a potent natural remedy. The key to garlic's health benefits lies in a compound called allicin. When you crush or chop garlic, allicin is released, and it's a true powerhouse. Allicin has potent antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties. It's like a natural antibiotic that can help your body fight off infections and reduce inflammation. But allicin is unstable, so you need to know how to maximize its benefits. Garlic is a champion for your cardiovascular system. Studies show it can help lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels. Garlic helps prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, reducing the risk of plaque buildup in your arteries. By supporting healthy blood flow and protecting against heart disease, garlic keeps your heart strong and resilient. Garlic is also a powerful ally for your immune system. It boosts the activity of your immune cells, helping them recognize and destroy harmful invaders. Garlic can reduce the severity of cold and flu symptoms, helping you recover faster. By strengthening your body's defenses, garlic keeps you healthy and protected year-round. Garlic supports your body's natural detoxification processes. It helps your liver and kidneys eliminate toxins, promoting overall health and vitality. By cleansing your system, garlic helps you feel more energized and refreshed. It's like a gentle internal cleanse that supports your body's natural ability to thrive. Now, how can you maximize garlic's benefits? Crushing or chopping garlic and letting it sit for about 10 minutes before cooking helps release more allicin. Pairing garlic with healthy fats like olive oil can enhance its absorption. Eating garlic raw, such as in salad dressings or dips, is another great way to get its benefits. Incorporate garlic into your daily diet to experience its full potential. Pairing garlic with other nutrient-rich foods can amplify its health benefits. Combine garlic with tomatoes, which are rich in lycopene, to boost antioxidant effects. Add garlic to lean protein sources like chicken or fish to enhance flavor and support immune function. Experiment with different pairings to discover your favorite ways to enjoy garlic. How much garlic should you eat each day? Aim for about 1 to 2 cloves per day to reap its health benefits. You can easily incorporate garlic into your meals by adding it to soups, stir-fries, and sauces. If you don't like the taste of raw garlic, try roasted garlic, which has a milder flavor. Consistency is key. Make garlic a regular part of your diet for long-term health. By embracing garlic as a part of your daily routine, you can unlock its superpowers and transform your health. From boosting immunity to protecting your heart, garlic offers a wide range of benefits. Start incorporating garlic into your meals today and experience the difference. Your body will thank you for it. It's a simple, natural way to invest in your long-term well-being.